Hello friends, this is Ad Zeros and I wanted to quickly showcase you that how did I trade my first trade in VIAC just to give you an experience of the live trading. So let's check it out. And at this point, what I was thinking is already stopped out and in the pre-market we did a level there. So I wanted to see how I'm going to do that. It's a big bar. So just want to see. So now it's broke that level. I quickly shorted that with the risk of almost $1. I want to take a 70-cent risk. And I took a 500 shares, nothing much, but I wanted to see that how it is going to work. So now at this point, is the momentum is slowing down. We have a couple of levels which we marked based on a pre-market, which is 80, 79, and 78. So I'm just thinking that how is going to do that. So now see it's bounced back up. I almost 150 bucks out of money, 250 bucks, 232, and that was our stop out. The level that is going to be my stop. So I'm waiting for to see that what he does next. Does he continue or doesn't continue? Now at this point, it's continue back again, so that's nice. I'm looking forward to that. I added it to my position because now I'm liking it because it already pushed back up and now it's coming down back in. So I'm gonna like it, but now I have a more risk, uh, right? Because I've already added into my position while it breaking down. Nice. So it's broke down now, but if you see it's getting choppy, it's keep popping back up and down. We already 80 cents in the money, but I was looking for more. Now we have a level came in. Again, it's bounced on the same level, which we have a pre-market. Now it broke, so that's nice. So at this point, I was thinking it's gonna give me multiple points, but unfortunately, it didn't. And this is the way I treated my first entry, and now you will see that it's gonna bounce back up, and I'm gonna stop out. And at the same time, I'm also looking at the AMD. AMD went back up, then rejected the high of the day, came down back again, then rejected the low of the day, and now went back up again. So now it's in the middle of the range. I'm looking both of them. So what I was thinking now in the for VISC that if this time is gonna go back up, I'm just gonna put a stop loss. I'm not gonna give much more room now because it's already tried too many times, and if it doesn't go back up, I'm just gonna close out. That's fine. And so again, it's rejected that level. So I was now I liking it. I'm just thinking, okay, is it rejected? Though is has room for us to move down again? But again, I don't want to take too much risk at this point because it's just consolidating at this level is not moving too much, but it was extended stock, so it can easily move back up because the market at the time was moving up. So you see that it's just is pushing up and down. I'm not really liking at this point. I don't know what is gonna happen. It's really too crazy. It's just moving between my profit target and in the red and green area. I was expecting a much bigger move at this point, but it's not giving me anything. So I added one more time, and I was thinking this time it's gonna break, and I'm expecting once it's gonna break, I'm gonna add into it. Oh, and it's just pulled back up, and I'm gonna close. I'm just gonna quickly close out now. If you see that I'm just marking my closing out the position because I don't want to run over 81, 20 or 25 because if it's go over then it's gonna go over the VWAP and I don't want because I'm full size I don't want to take this much risk. So if you see I put the hard stop because it's just taking too much of my energy so I don't want to take risk anymore. So let me just do a fast forward for you guys because I don't want you to make this very long. And I stopped out. I think that's, you can check that. So I put the stop order here and it just stopped me out. So this is the way I traded and I manage my risk. And this is the way I add into my position and also making sure that it doesn't run over me. So hope you liked that video. You have learned something and please feel free to comment, like. I would really appreciate giving me thumbs up and liking my video. And let me know if you wanted to learn uh, some if you wanted to learn something different or any other topic you're interested in, feel free to message me. And also, as I mentioned, that I've been uh, formally approved as a World Series Day Trading as a team lead. And if you wanted to join my team, feel free to email me, or you can also reach out to your account manager and ask them to put you under me. Thank you guys. Have a good night.